Good morning, guys. It's Daryl here from County Pier Farms. We've got a winter storm coming. We've had some snow, as you've seen in previous videos. But this is the first major storm with high winds. Bit of a test for the greenhouse. So I'm putting in some stakes. They're T-posts. You can see here, driving them in on an angle. Trying to get at least one for every 6x6, just to keep the wind from yanking this thing up into the air. I mean, it's pretty heavy, but the drawings do call for these. So they're 6-foot T-posts. That's why it's called a T-post. And just driving them in on an angle. So hopefully that keeps everything from blowing away, and hopefully your power doesn't go out and you got everything you need for at least 2 or 3 days in case there is a major power interruption. Should always have a secondary source of heat. Should always have some ready to eat food around. All right, take care. Talk soon. All right, guys. Well, I got all the T-posts pounded in along both sides. Just securing them now with some lag bolts into the 6x6s. So that'll help tie everything together here. And hopefully keep this sucker from lifting and blowing away in the upcoming storm. All right, take care.